Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this app. The one next to the one I just tapped. This one. So basically, you go on to Safari. Search Flappy Bird Club. Then tap this. Then press add to home screen. Put the password, press install. You see what I'm doing. Since I already have Flappy Bird, it didn't spawn another one. But when you're done with this, press done and it should appear. However, if this doesn't work, try this. So instead of Flappy Bird Club, go to Flappy Bird. Then I'll show you this. So to actually download this, just go on add to home screen. Call it whatever you want. Then press add. Then you'll have this. Anyway, I guarantee this way it's easier. So yeah. Bye.